Thank you for staying with me again. I'm going to look at Poland just warned Russia may prepare to attack NATO territory. What do you expect? And this is coming from NS Tuna. Now we are going to look at why the Poland said this about this. And before that, let's look at Russia and Ukraine are promising to escalate. Both Ukraine and Russia are vying to escalate the intensifying war after Moscow launched one of the biggest missiles and drone attack on the conflict, causing chaos in Kyiv and destroying residential buildings. The large-scale attack prompted new Ukraine strike deep inside Russia territory overnight. Now, this was what Russia was doing, Ukraine was doing to Russia, destroying their infrastructure and destroying their oil refineries, which Russia are targeting most of their military targets, minor infrastructure. But since it has come to this extent, Russia are also retaliating and paying back to what Ukraine has been doing by targeting their infrastructure. Why can you be in the war front and you are targeting someone's infrastructure? So now, how do you feel when you are being done the same to? So now you can see that Russia are also intensifying, doing the same thing to the Ukraine, and they are feeling it right now. They are feeling it to what Russia are doing to them. So let's continue. So now, Zelensky demand more air defense. Now, Zelensky demand more air defense. From where? Now, let's go to and see. After the touring, the destruction left behind in the capital city of Kyiv, Zelensky insists that Ukraine force would definitely respond to the latest strike to continue his long-range strike campaign against Russia. However, he must first secure the air defense system he needs to protect against Russia's aggression. Following the strike, Zelensky sought the help of the West allies. Now, Zelensky sought the help of the West ally, requesting more air defense system. That means they has been giving him air defense. No, now he's requesting for more air defense system and suggests that promised delivery has to be far too short to help up the peace of Russia attack. So they have been giving them air defense before. So he is requesting for more air defense. So now when Ukraine is asking for defense or world equipment from the West, you people are not seeing anything wrong with that. But when it comes to the Iranian asking for air defense from the Russia, that of China, you will be seeing it as a propaganda, as instigating of war, because it's wrong from people you hate to ask for air defense, or let me say a war equipment from another country because you just don't like them. But when Ukraine are saying it publicly, they are waiting to receive more air, more, it's not even new, more air defense from the Western ally. It's a normal thing. The news carries it and it is written as a normal thing to do, because they are to just do it because they are protecting democracy. But when it comes to the aspect of the Iranian, that is not protecting democracy, that is promoting terrorism. So those who have ears should hear, and those who have wisdom should understand. Have a nice day. Bye.